Hey everyone, so I got this level 8 carry-on rolling luggage here, and I gotta say, I'm pretty impressed. I've been using it for a bit now, and it's held up really well. First off, this thing is light. Seriously, for a hard shell, it's surprisingly lightweight, which is a huge plus, especially when you're trying to avoid those checked baggage fees. They say it's made of this 3-layer polycarbonate material, and honestly, it feels really sturdy. I've bumped it around a bit, and it hasn't shown any signs of damage. The size is perfect for those quick trips. It's a 20-inch carry-on, so it fits within most airline size restrictions. I managed to pack enough for a 4-day trip without any issues, which is pretty good going. Inside, it's got this split case design with 2 compartments, which is great for organization. One side has a zippered mesh pocket, so you can keep smaller items separate and easily accessible. Now let's talk about the wheels. These are spinner wheels, and they glide like a dream. Seriously smooth rolling, even on rough surfaces. The handle is telescopic and has 4 different height adjustments, so you can find the perfect fit for you. It also feels really sturdy, not flimsy at all. There are also handles on the top and side, which makes it easy to grab from the overhead bin. One thing I really appreciate is the built-in TSA-approved lock. It's super convenient, and it gives me peace of mind knowing my belongings are secure. The zippers are also really smooth, which might seem like a small detail, but it makes a difference. No more struggling with stuck zippers. The dark gray color is sleek and professional looking. It doesn't scream tourist, which I like. It's got this subtle luminous textured finish, which is kind of cool. It's not overly flashy, but it adds a nice touch. Overall, I'm really happy with this level 8 carry-on. It's lightweight, durable, has smooth rolling wheels, and a TSA-approved lock. It's perfect for short trips and makes traveling so much easier. They also offer a 2-year warranty, which is a nice bonus. If you're in the market for a new carry-on, I would definitely recommend checking this one out. It's a great value for the price. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.